Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Professor Dipanjan Kumar De. Today I will deliver another important lecture on Jacobian part 6. The topic is using Jacobian partial derivative of implicit function. Earlier we did partial derivative of implicit function. Today we will do partial derivative of implicit function using Jacobian theorem, Jacobian transform using. Okay, this is part 6. Earlier I uploaded part 5 up to part 5 of Jacobian. That is, there are 5 videos I uploaded. This is the 6th video. I will finish Jacobian with this video. Okay, I think you will understand very nicely. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Let's begin partial derivative of implicit function using Jacobian. I will do this along with an example. No theory is there. Along with an example, I think you will understand very nicely. I am giving a sum. I have chosen this sum from university question paper. The sum is, just I am giving the sum. The sum is like, just I am writing here, if, example 1, if x equal to u plus v plus w, y equal to u square plus v square plus w square, z equal to u cube plus v cube plus w cube. So that del u del x is equal to vw by u minus v into u minus w. So that this. Okay. So this sum I have chosen from university question paper. This is very, very important sum. So keep watching. If you have any problem, you can contact with this number. This is my WhatsApp number, or you can make question in comment box. Okay. So now del u del x. This is the partial derivative of u with respect to x you have to find. So using Jacobian, that is the formula is, this is the formula you have to remember. Okay. Solution del u del x, this equal to, here you see del u del x, that is 3 variables are there. So n value minus 1 to the power n value is 3, is into del f1, f2, f3 by del f1, f2, f3 by delta of this. You see, now del u del x, so u is numerator, so here will be u and here will be x. Understand? Because if we this into this by this into this by this, then del u will come numerator. Okay, and del x will be here. Now here is x, then v, here will be vw. Okay, here will be vw. By this way you have to remember. Okay, so del u del x. So del u del x formula is this. That is using Jacobian of implicit function. This I have discussed very nicely in part 5. That is before, in part 5, that is before this lecture, already I discussed Jacobian for implicit function very nicely. Now the question is, suppose you want to find del u, suppose del y, then del u del y, then here will be y, just follow me, here will be y and here will be u. This is del u del y, okay. This will be same, remain same. Suppose you want to find del u del z. Be careful. If you want to find del u del z, then the formula will be here will be z, here will be z, here will be uv. Follow me. If it is del u del z, then here will be uv, here will be z and here will be uv, and this remains same. Okay, del u del z, then here will be z and here will be uv. Del u del y, here will be y, then u and w will be here, and del u del x, but our question is del u del x. That means you have to find del u del x. That means it will be x, then v, then w. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, now what is f1, f2, f3? The question is, what is f1, f2, f3? So let after this, let f1 equal to this, f1 equal to u plus v plus w minus x, f2 equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus y, f3 equal to uq plus vq plus wq minus z. This is f1, f2, f3. Okay, clear? Is that clear? Okay, so this is f1, f2, f3. Now you have to find this part and then this part. After getting these two parts, you have to put this in equation. This is suppose equation 1. This is equation 1. Okay, so now you have to find del f1, f2, f3. Del f1, f2, f3 by del x, v, w. Del x, v, w. This will be the determinant of del f1 by del x, del f1 by del v, del f1 by del w. Del f2 by del x, del f2 by del v, del f2 by del w. Now del f3 by del x, del f3 by del v, del f3 by del w. Okay, so this will you have to find. Now what is del f, del x, del f1, del x, del f1, del x? That means with respect to x, differentiate f1 with respect to x partially when u, v, w are constant, that is minus 1. Del f1, del x, that is here will be minus 1. Del f1 by del v, that is 1. Del f1, this is v, okay, this is u, okay, this is u actually, okay. Now del f1, del w, this is also 1. When with respect to, this is means differentiate f1 with respect to w partially when u, v and x are constant. So if this 0, this 0, this 0, this is 1, okay. Del f2 by del x, del f2 by del x, that is no x is there, so this will be 0. Del f2 by del v, that is 2v, okay. Del f2 by del w, that is 2w, okay. Del F3 by del X, this is also 0. Del F3 by del V, this all. Del F3 by del V, that is 3V square. 3V square. Del F3 by del W, that is 3V, 3W cube. This value actually. This value. Just I am checking whether it is right or wrong. Yes, this is right. Okay, this is right. Okay. Now these two zeros is there. So break this. That is equal to minus 1 into this, and this will be cancelled. 6V W cube minus 6W V square. 6W V square. This is V square. Okay. So that means minus 6VW minus 6VW I am taking common. Then this will be square actually. This will be square. So this will be square. Okay. 6VW, that is W minus V. W minus V. So this is the value of this, that is del F1, F2, F3 by XVW by XVW. That is this part. This part is this value. Okay. Now you have to find del F1, F2, F3 by UVW. Okay. That is this part already found. This value is this. Now del F1, F2, F3 by, I am just changing over here. This will be UVW. The formula will be same. Just in place of X I am writing U. In place of X I am writing U. The formula will be same. Now this will be changed. Okay. Just I am putting over here. Okay. Now what I am doing here? Just I am putting this value from this F1, F2, F3. Okay. So this will come del F1 by del U, that is 1. Del F1 by del V also 1. Del F1 by del, this is 1, 1, 1. Then del F2 by U, del U, that is twice U, twice, this will be twice V, this will be twice W. This will be 3U square, 3V square, 3W square. This. Okay. So now this value will be, after this, break this determinant. If you break this determinant by C1 dash equal to C1 minus C2, C2 dash equal to C2 minus C3, then the answer will come. Just I am writing the answer here. That is 6 into. You know how to break this determinant by applying C1 dash equal to C1 minus C2, then C2 dash equal to C2 minus C3, then this 2 will be 0, then break the determinant by this element. Okay. So the answer will be 6 into U minus V into V minus W into W minus U. This is U. Okay, W. U minus V minus W minus U. This will come for denominator value. So numerator value is this, denominator value is this. So after getting, we already found that this value and this value. Now equation 1 becomes, you have to write equation 1 becomes, just putting del U by del X is equal to minus 1 to the power cube, that is minus this value will be minus 6, this is equal to, okay, minus 6 VW, 6 VW into W minus V by 6 U minus V, V minus W, W minus U. Okay. Now 6 getting cancelled, 6 is getting cancelled, minus minus plus. Okay. Then W minus V, you see, W minus V, taking minus common from here, minus common from here, okay, minus common from here, then W minus V, this will be cancelled, and again minus common from here, that is U minus W. So U minus V into U minus W. So minus minus plus, that is VW by U minus V, U minus V into U minus W. Understand what I am doing here? So minus taking from here, that is W minus V, this will be cancelled, and minus taking from here, that minus and this minus taking from here, that is minus minus plus. The answer becomes like this: VW by U minus V and U minus W. I think this proved the sums. So I think you understand very nicely. This is actually in higher mathematics topic. In higher mathematics topics. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like it, share it with all the people around you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you with next one very soon. Until then, bye bye. Until then, bye bye. Thank you very much.